Hello everyone, I Dr. Roshni Bhagat, Assistant Professor of Physics at Rajeshri Shahu Science College, Sanduril, Amravati, and my colleague Swati Asfale, Assistant Professor, Department of Electronics, D.Y. Patil College of Engineering, Akurdi, presenting a paper that is Synthesis and Structural Properties of Polymer Complex with Cadmium Sulfide. These are the contents. Introduction about the polymer nanocomposite, synthesis technique, interpretation of X-ray diffraction, interpretation of scanning electron microscopy, interpretation of Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy, and last one it is the conclusion. Now, introduction about the polymer nanocomposite. Now, polymer nanocomposite represents a new alternative to conventionally filled polymers because of their nanometer sizes, filler dispersion, nanocomposite which exhibits markedly improved properties when compared to the unfilled polymer or their traditional composites. Now, forming composite by a filler is a very promising approach to it can enhance the conductivity as well as provide the strength to the polymeric film to study how the mechanism of enhancement of properties of polymer changes when filled by nanoparticles. So that I selected the insulating polymer, that is the polystyrene, as a basic polymer. Now it is one of the most interesting polymer due to their novel properties, and it is readily available and presents good environment stability, easy processing, lightweight, and having a low cost. Now next it is the synthesis technique. The unfilled polystyrene and CDS filled polystyrene thin films were prepared by dissolving the PS resin in toluene at 100 degrees Celsius under vigorous stirring for 1 hour. Now in PS, CDS was remaining in the dispersed phase, and the composition of CDS in PS is 1, 5, 10 and 15 by weight %. So before casting the mixture, solution of PS and CDS was stirred for 2 hours using the magnetic stirrer so that the CDS nanopowder uniformly mixed with PS solution, and the sample was obtained by casting the solution on a level glass substrate and evaporating the solvent at room temperature under the normal atmospheric pressure. So in this way, this polymer nanocomposite thin film were prepared. Next one, it is the result and discussion, that is the structural characterization, X-ray diffraction. So figure 1 shows the XRD pattern of unfilled PS concerning the commercially available PS. So here two large humps centered at 2 theta 10 degree and 20 degree are the characteristic of its atmospheric nature, amorphous nature. The pattern is characterized by the appearance of halos, and halos show the amorphous phase is dominant in the compound. Now the next figure in this diffractogram, result indicates the amorphous structure of polystyrene and confirms the existence of CDS in PS composite thin film. So for all the composite thin film, a broad peak represents amorphous nature. So peak position for all filled sample is observed at 2 theta 19.03 degree, then 19 degree, 18.7 degree and 18.33 degree for 1, 5, 10 and 15 weight % PS thin film respectively. So from the diffractogram, it is observed that as percentage of CDS in PS increases, peak shifted towards the lower angle along with the increase in peak width, whereas peak height it becomes decreases. So this type of finding might be due to the small size of CDS particle. So apart from this broad peak, two small hump like structure is observed in all the diffractogram in the region theta equal to 25 degree to 45 degree, so which analogous to the presence of CDS in PS. which are clearly observed in CDS diffractogram. Now next it is the interpretation of scanning electron microscope. So CDS filled PS shows that the average 6 nanometer size CDS are rarely dispersed forming PS microsphere. As the weight percentage of CDS in PS increases, presence of number of CDS particle increases and also the agglomeration is clearly observed. Thus the same of all the samples revealed the successful incorporation of CDS nanoparticle in PS matrix. The same images for lower loading percentage of CDS were similar to one another, but as the CDS proportion reached towards the highest value, the morphology of CDS can be easily observed in host matrix. Now next it is the analysis of Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy. So it shows the 5 peaks over the range is 2800 centimeter inverse to 3100 centimeter inverse range attributed to CH stretching vibrations in the main chain and in aromatic rings, and the peaks at 1601, 1492, 1451, 1027, 757, 698 centimeter inverse are due to deformation and skeletal vibration of CH in PS. It should be noted that the FTIR spectra of unfilled PS do not show the clear peak of carbonyl group. Now this figure represents the FTIR transmission spectra for 1 and 5% of CDS filled PS composite thin film in the range 500 to 400 centimeter inverse, and frequency correlation obtained from various stretching, bending, vibration are also enclosed in the table. The absorption peak value of 5 and 10% CDS added PS composite thin film is nearly same as that of 1 and 15% of CDS added PS composite thin film, hence avoided in order to the safe space. The peak at 2922, 2851 and 1452 centimeter inverse, which is due to the aliphatic backbone of polystyrene micromolecule associated with CH stretching. CH stretching vibration gives the intense peak at 2372 centimeter inverse. So peak due to the CH bending are observed at about 906 and 692 centimeter inverse. CC asymmetric stretching occurring at 746 centimeter inverse, and the peak at 1028 centimeter inverse is assigned to OH bending on the surface of PS. The weak peaks at 1155 and 1111 centimeter inverse, which is due to the CC bending. So as the CDS percentage increases, the characteristic peaks of CDS appear in the case of composite thin film. The functional group of unfilled PS are present, which are shown in the figure, and it is good agreement with all the other journal papers. Lastly is the conclusion, and which is the successfully prepared a new polystyrene composite thin film using the CDS as a filler by solution casting technique, and the complex formation in CDS PS composite system has been confirmed from the XRD result. So sum of all the samples revealed the successful incorporation of CDS nanoparticles in PS matrix. HTIR, which confirms that the prepared sample in PS-CDS thin film. In Raman spectroscopy, asymmetry is the Raman line shape indicate the effect of phonon confinement. Here the result of Raman spectroscopy and conclusion I am not explaining, but it gives this kind of result. Thank you very much.